Hi there, I'm Dr. Mike, and I'm really glad you've taken a few minutes out of your day to join me. Today, we're diving into something that doesn't get talked about enough, yet affects millions of people every single night: frequent urination during sleep. It might seem like just a minor inconvenience, but in reality, it can seriously disrupt your rest, your energy, and even your overall health. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's how you become part of a growing community focused on natural, long-term health solutions. And just tapping the like button helps this video reach others who are searching for answers just like you. I truly love hearing from you. So take a second and drop a comment below. Let me know where you're tuning in from, and have you ever wondered why you keep waking up multiple times a night just to go to the bathroom? Let's get to the root of it, and more importantly, let's talk about what you can do to finally fix it. Have you been waking up multiple times a night just to use the bathroom, even though your blood sugar isn't wildly out of control? You're not alone. And here's the surprising truth: nighttime urination, or nocturia, isn't always just about diabetes. In fact, what you eat, especially the fruits you choose, can make a powerful difference. Now, I know fruits aren't the first thing most people think of when it comes to bladder health. But certain fruits can actually help regulate your blood sugar, support your kidneys, and reduce inflammation, all of which play a big role in how often you wake up to go. And the best part? These are natural, simple solutions that don't involve extra medication. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 of the most effective fruits that support your body in managing nocturia from the inside out. And we're starting with one of the most nutrient-packed, research-backed categories out there: berries. Let's kick things off with one of the most powerful, yet underrated groups of fruits when it comes to nighttime urination and blood sugar control: berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with key nutrients that work in your favor. What makes them stand out? First, their low glycemic index means they release sugar slowly into your bloodstream, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, a crucial factor for reducing nocturia, especially in people with diabetes. But there's more. Berries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which combat inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 issues closely tied to kidney damage. By reducing this internal stress, berries help protect your kidneys and support better urinary function. And let's not forget fiber, one of the most overlooked tools in blood sugar control. The fiber in berries slows down glucose absorption and promotes satiety, making you feel fuller longer and less likely to reach for blood sugar spiking snacks. So how do you use them effectively? Start your day with a smoothie. Add a handful of berries, a spoon of chia seeds, and a bit of spinach, or sprinkle berries over plain yogurt or oatmeal. You can even layer them into a Greek yogurt parfait with chia seeds for a nutrient-dense, no sugar added snack. Just remember, portion control matters. Even healthy sugars can add up, so stick to about half a cup per serving. It's the sweet spot for getting the benefits without overloading your system. Have you tried using berries this way? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite combo? Let's move to another everyday fruit that quietly delivers powerful benefits: apples. Simple, familiar, and easy to find, but what many people don't realize is how effective apples can be in managing both blood sugar and nighttime urination. At the heart of their benefits is pectin, a type of soluble fiber found in high amounts in apples. Pectin helps slow down glucose absorption in the gut, keeping blood sugar levels more stable, which, in turn, reduces the chances of waking up at night to urinate due to sudden sugar spikes. But apples don't stop at fiber. They're also rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, a major issue for anyone dealing with diabetes or chronic inflammation. Here's how to make apples work for you. Try pairing them with almonds or cheese. This combo slows sugar absorption even further and gives you protein and healthy fats to keep you fuller longer. In the evening, a cozy option is to warm sliced apples with cinnamon. Not only is cinnamon naturally sweet and comforting, it's also known to help regulate blood sugar. And if you enjoy salads, apples add the perfect crunch and gentle sweetness. Toss sliced apples with leafy greens, walnuts, cinnamon, a splash of olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. It's not just tasty, It's a science-backed way to support kidney function and stabilize blood sugar. So next time you reach for a snack, ask yourself, could this apple be more than just a bite? With the right pairings and timing, it might just help you sleep more soundly. Now, here's a fruit that's sweet, vibrant, and surprisingly powerful when it comes to nighttime health: cherries. These little red gems don't just taste good, they work on multiple fronts to support your kidneys, balance blood sugar, and reduce overnight bathroom trips. Let's start with their low glycemic index. Unlike many fruits that can spike your blood sugar, cherries release glucose slowly and steadily, helping you maintain stable energy levels throughout the day and into the night. That stability matters, especially if you're trying to avoid blood sugar crashes that can disrupt sleep and increase urination. But the real standout is potassium. Just a small serving of cherries packs a decent dose of this vital electrolyte, which plays a key role in managing fluid balance in the body. Potassium helps reduce water retention and lowers the burden on your kidneys, two important factors for reducing nocturia, or frequent nighttime urination. Cherries also contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that give them their deep red color. These compounds help lower inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, a major benefit for anyone managing diabetes or age-related kidney strain. Wondering how to add cherries to your day? You've got options. Eat them fresh, frozen, or add them to smoothies and even plain water for a hint of natural flavor. For a balanced snack, try pairing cherries with Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. The combination of natural sugars with protein helps regulate glucose more effectively. Or blend up a smoothie with cherries, almond butter, unsweetened almond milk, and chia seeds. It's satisfying, blood sugar friendly, and great for kidney support. So next time you're reaching for something sweet, consider cherries. They're more than a snack, they're a small, smart step toward a more restful night. Now let's turn to a fruit that doesn't always get the spotlight, but might quietly be one of the best choices for nighttime health: pears. What makes pears special is their combination of soluble fiber and high water content. The fiber, especially in the skin, helps slow down the absorption of glucose, keeping your blood sugar more stable. That's critical when you're trying to avoid the spikes and crashes that can lead to nighttime urination. And then there's the hydration factor. Pears are over 80% water, making them naturally hydrating, which helps your kidneys filter more efficiently without overwhelming them. Staying hydrated during the day is a proven strategy for reducing nocturia at night. But here's something many people overlook. Pears have a natural mild laxative effect. If you've ever experienced bloating or constipation, you might be surprised to know these issues can actually put pressure on your bladder and make nocturia worse. By gently supporting regular digestion, pears help take some of that pressure off. How can you get the most from pears? First, don't peel them. The skin is where most of the fiber and antioxidants live. Enjoy them fresh as a snack, or pear slices with cheese for a satisfying blend of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This combo helps balance your blood sugar and keeps you full longer. And if you want a cozy evening option, try poached pears with cinnamon. Just simmer sliced pears with a little water, a cinnamon stick, and lemon juice. You get a warm, low-sugar dessert that supports both your kidneys and your sleep. Pears might be gentle, but their benefits are powerful, especially when it comes to supporting digestion, hydration, and nighttime bladder comfort. Before you assume you've heard it all, here's a fruit that surprises most people when it comes to bladder and blood sugar health: oranges. Yes, oranges, but not the way you might think. Oranges often get dismissed in diabetic diets because of their natural sugar content. But when eaten in moderation and in whole form, not juice, they offer some unique benefits worth noting. The key is in the soluble fiber and vitamin C-rich antioxidants packed into each segment. The fiber in oranges slows down glucose absorption, much like pears and apples, helping to prevent sudden sugar spikes that can contribute to nocturia. Plus, oranges have a high water content, which supports kidney hydration during the day without overwhelming your bladder at night. But what really sets oranges apart is their anti-inflammatory power. Vitamin C and flavonoids like hesperidin help reduce inflammation in the urinary tract, which may calm bladder irritation, a common hidden trigger for frequent nighttime urination. To get the full benefits, skip the juice, It concentrates sugars and strips away fiber. Instead, eat a small whole orange or mandarin, preferably in the early afternoon. You can pair it with a few almonds or plain Greek yogurt to balance the natural sugars with protein and fat. And here's a fun tip. Orange segments in a spinach salad with walnuts and a drizzle of olive oil create a refreshing dish that supports both your blood sugar and kidney function. So if you've been avoiding citrus out of habit, it may be time to reconsider. When used wisely, oranges offer hydration, fiber, and inflammation-fighting power, all in one easy-to-love fruit. So here's the big takeaway when it comes to managing nighttime urination naturally. Sometimes the simplest solutions yield the biggest impact. Berries, apples, cherries, and pears aren't just tasty. They each bring something powerful to the table: stable blood sugar, strong antioxidant support, and better kidney and bladder function. Whether you blend them into a smoothie, toss them into a salad, or enjoy them as a calming evening snack, the beauty is in their flexibility. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Just start with one habit. Maybe that's half a cup of berries with your breakfast, or sliced apple with almonds in the afternoon. Just remember, portion control matters. Stick to fresh, whole ingredients, avoid added sugars, and choose organic when you can. Small steps, done consistently, lead to real, lasting change. If today's video gave you an idea or inspired a change, let us know with a like, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next health tip that could change your nights and your days.